Good afternoon. We are at Imtex Forming 2016 and we are at the stall of Schuler, and we have with us Mr. Nitin Kulkarni, the Managing Director of Schuler India.
Good afternoon. How are you?
Mr. Kulkarni, what is the highlight of Schuler's participation at this show this year?
Okay, Schuler being a pioneer in forming technologies, this year we are projecting and showcasing the servo technology from Schuler, which would be very beneficial for automotive industry, particularly OEM in India. So if you ask me what Schuler brings, it's a servo direct technology. It's a servo presses that we are bringing. At the same time, we have got here new is a servo forging press or servo hammer we call it, which is very energy efficient. So what is the specific about is this energy saving and maximum output at the given equipment. So these are the things what bringing in.
How has been the business for you last 1 year?
Last year business was of course good from our perspective. Besides, I would say OEMs automotive, we had a good business from other industries like aerospace and railway also. So I would say automotive was going on, but our focus on aerospace and railways and other general industry helped us build a good numbers last year.
There is a lot of talk about Make in India. While the initial euphoria is gone, now people are talking about the ground realities. What is your take on it?
As far as Make in India is concerned, certainly it is good for country itself. I would see from the perspective of the Schuler, the press equipment, what we are in normally are a very large kind of equipments, and certainly yes, there can be a scope. But at this point of time, looking at the Indian market, Schuler is thinking of its own current strategy that import from Europe or some other parts of the Schuler and then assemble in India. But going forward, how entire business goes, Schuler may consider the option also.
What are your expectations from the market for the coming year?
Coming year, I would say that our equipments are well working in the field. We would be more focusing on servicing our equipment. So particularly our equipments are working, they are proven, the company is 175-year-old. What we would like to provide our more focus on going to our customer once again, looking at our machine, looking at the health checkup, inspection, and recommending them what service they would require in order to the machine performs to its best optimum level. So we would be focusing on a service in coming year.
I have one more last question for you. Traditionally, you've been very strong with the automotive sector, but there are other sectors opening up, as you also mentioned. So, would you be looking at those sectors now?
As I said, aerospace and the railway industries would be our two sectors where we would be looking at. In aerospace, there are many companies in India which have started, but they are at a level where we can say they are assembling the fuselage. We are working with many government companies where they have already some Schuler forging presses for the product which goes directly into aircraft. So I would say aerospace and railways would be two. Additionally, I would like to share one fact with you. Every coin that gets minted in India gets minted on Schuler press. So we would be contributing to Indian government's ambition and aspiration as regard increasing the circulation of the coins in India.
On that note, thank you so much. I wish you keep making money both for yourself as well as for the government of India.